Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Carol and the name of my channel is My Blessed Nest. I'm up in my craft room again with this pretty pink wall behind me. I had a lot of comments that you liked the wall behind me, so I thought since my house is in utter chaos with this kitchen reno going on, we're gonna film another video up here. Today I'm happy to be joining Robin Johnson, and we're gonna do a thrift store Thursday. And she does these every Thursday and shows us what she found thrifting. So I am happy to be joining her today. If you haven't checked out her channel, hop on over there and do that. I will link it below in my description box. In addition to Thrift Store Thursdays, she does thrift store flips or DIYs. She also does home tours, and she incorporates all of the awesome things that she finds when she thrifts. And sometimes she does like day in the life and different things like that. So I am super thrilled to be participating with her in her Thrift Store Thursday. So would you like to see what I found? I'm going to save my bucket list holy grail item for last. You guys won't believe it. And I have a couple other favorites too, so we'll work up to them. So first off, I'm going to show you a clip of my thrifting, and then I'll come back and show you what I found. Let's get started. The first thing I have to show you today is these Jello molds. They actually say Jello right on the top. And there's 4 Jello molds and 5 plates. I'm not sure why there's 5 plates and 4 Jello molds, but they were $1.99. And I got these at the Salvation Army, and I didn't really care too much about the plates. I mean, I might use them, but I was really excited to find those molds. And I've been seeing them lately in Decor, and that's why I wanted them. So if anybody knows anything about those weird plates, they're kind of wavy, and I don't know. If you know anything about them, let me know. Maybe you were supposed to make the Jello mold and present it on the plate. I don't know. But let me know if you know. Next, I did pick up that cute little planter. And as I was getting ready for my video, I noticed it has a wee little tiny chip on the front there. But I think I'll be able to color that in with some paint. And really, the way I'm going to use it, you'll never notice it. That was marked 99 cents. And I got that at the Salvation Army as well. And I thought it would be adorable in a little tiered tray with maybe some greenery in, or actually it would be cute with some eggs. So what do you think? I love her. Just in case you're curious, there's not any markings on the bottom unless it's under that tag. No, I don't see any markings on the bottom. Okay, next I did pick up the little brown bunny. I think he is just darling. And again, I think he would be adorable on a tiered tray. He was 49 cents. That was from the Salvation Army as well. And these were from the Salvation Army. Again, there's no markings on the bottom. One of them is marked 99 cents and the other one isn't marked. So I can't remember if I probably got both of them for $1. Look at the little bunnies and look at these eyelashes. Oh my goodness, they do remind me of Homeco, and they probably could be, and the tags just fell off. So if anybody knows, let me know. Look at those eyelashes, and I love the color of pink. So those were either $1 or $2. So as you can tell, I'm getting a lot of spring decor or Eastery. And I did pick up this little couple. Oh my goodness, I love the peachy colors. And I just love everything about this. I feel sure that somebody made it in ceramics. It says for $1.85. And then the name Byron, Byron, is like, I don't know how you would say it, but written in the, probably in the clay before they fired it. And it says 1980. Oh, okay. So it was made in 1980, and then somebody else probably got it in April of 83. Interesting. And it just says molds on the bottom. Oh, Byron Molds, 1980. Okay. So maybe the mold was from 1980. Maybe the lady that made it in April of 83. I don't know. But it was $1.99, and I'm pretty sure I got that for half off. But look at the detailing. I mean, that took a steady hand. They've outlined in like a black, I think it is. And look at their little faces and their little hat and bonnet. I just think those are darling. So tiered tray or decor, we'll see. And then you might wonder why I picked these up. Maybe you're thinking for my grandkids. These were $1, but no, I'm going to use these for decor. Let me show you a sampling. Okay, so there's number cards like this, and then they have things on the back. But I thought it would be fun to make a date with the numbers. Like here, for instance, I could do this for St. Patty's Day, 17th, and then I could stick them in a flower frog. So I think these are just darling. And then there are cute things on the back, so maybe I'll find something to go along with some decor with that as well. And I don't know if all the cards are here, don't really care. Those were just 25 cents at one of my favorite local thrift stores that has the best prices. So 25 cents for those. Okay, we're down to my favorites, I believe. Yep. So this I couldn't believe. Look how darling this little ducky is. Look at those eyelashes. This whole thing, this whole grouping of stuff was 50 cents. It's on the back of the chickie's head or ducky. I'm not good at animals. I do like some of the other ones. This one says Happy Easter. This one says Mom for Mother's Day. There's a cute little bunny. This one here, and then this little egg says Happy Easter as well. And these are just from flower arrangements, I'm sure. People had picks and saved them over the years from the flowers they received. So 50 cents. Let's see. It's down to my favorite 3 items. So, okay, we're going to go with this one next. Did you see those 2 lamps that I was looking at in my video clips of my thrifting? Well, if you looked very closely, you will see that I put together the correct lamp. They had them displayed separately and wrong. So I believe this bottom went with this globe. And you guys, this was $2.50, and I think it's just darling. It reminds me of my lamp when I was a little girl in my bedroom. I did have the bottom like this, but then I had a regular shade, so I actually even like this better. But it turns on with the little twist of the key, and it does work. So I'm really happy to get that. And I'm pretty sure that it will go right here in my craft room. Ooh, it almost fell. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're good. So yeah, I think it would look good. Actually, probably up on the bed. Let me see if I can turn and show you. I have a bunch of pillows piled up here because of the remodel, but see that modern lamp up there? I will probably replace it with this lamp instead. It's more my style. Okay, down to my last 2 items. Are you ready? Okay, this one will be my runner-up. I think this is just darling. You saw me looking at him at an antique store. He was a little pricey. They did take the tag because they do that in this antique store, but he was $8.50. Look at the face. Oh my goodness, I think he's just darling. So let me know if you know anything about that. I'm thinking this is old. But I don't have any clues because there's nothing marked on it in any way. So let me know if you know anything about him. I just think he's darling, and I'll use him in my displays for the spring or for Easter or both. All right, now the last item I found, I did not show you the clip yet because I wanted you to be surprised, but I'm going to show it to you and then I'll show you the clip of when I found it. I was at an antique store and I found this whole bag of Fisher-Price accessories. And let's see if they took the price. Yeah, they took the price off, but it was $15. Now, that was a good deal for all the stuff that I got. I decided just to put a clip in of all the items that I got for my $15 because I get so excited about this Fisher-Price dollhouse that I have and all these accessories, and I just go on and on. So here's a clip, and if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments below. This clip is from the antique store where I found the Little People accessories. First, I saw this Fisher-Price hospital. I've never even heard of it or seen it anywhere. And then I saw this basket, and I always check through bags like this that might possibly have my Fisher-Price accessories in. And I just was looking in there, and you see me grab frantically. There's the bag. I couldn't believe it. I was so excited. I started like looking through it frantically to see what all was included. And oh my goodness, I was so excited. And I dreamt about this day when I would hit the mother lode all in one spot, and I sure did. So I was so excited. I immediately texted my husband. He was waiting in the car. I sent him a picture. But there's the moment I found it, and then I went back and looked through the rest of the bags to make sure that there wasn't more in there that I would possibly leave behind. But that was the only bag, and I was so happy to find it. Now for my top commenter of the video, it's my husband, Mr. My Blessed Nest. I drew his name out of all the people that came up with the little emblem that they are top commenters on my channel. That just means they've commented the most and gotten the most hearts from me. I could not do this channel without my husband's support. He does anything he can to help me. He makes crafts for me, like wooden cut out things. He makes sure that I get time to work on my videos, and he's always encouraging me that I'm doing great and just keep it up. So I want to thank my husband for being my top commenter, my top supporter. Love you, honey. And now I want to announce from my last video which granite piece we picked for our kitchen. Are you ready? Well, before we do that, take a look at these clips. Here's the hardware that we had to pick from. I considered this, but then we actually went with the one down in the corner here. It's just a little different color, or maybe just a little different style. Here's the faucet that we picked. And this is the granite countertop that we chose, the Silver Cloud. It was option number 3 if you voted. Thanks everybody for playing along. And the kitchen's coming along great. We're going to be starting our destruction by the contractors soon. So I'll be sharing little clips with you here and there. And then of course the big reveal. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you'll go over to Robin Johnson's channel and watch her video as well. And she and I have a lot in common, so I think you'll really love her channel. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.